Hey, so today's question is, Dr. Sam, I need something to help me sleep. I take melatonin, but I think it causes me to wake up in the middle of the night and I'm wide awake for hours. Is this true or do you have a better solution? Yes, I totally get it since I've never been a good sleeper myself, unlike my dad who can literally sleep anywhere, anytime. So, yes, a major problem with melatonin is that rebound effects after 3 or 4 hours of sleep, where you just wake up and you're wide awake. And that typically starts at around the 3 milligram dose. Now, keeping in mind, why does this happen? Well, because melatonin has a short half life, about 45 to 60 minutes. So basically wears off, and then all of a sudden you wake up in the middle of the night. Now, if you take a higher dose, right, someone's like, I'll just take more. So keep me sleep longer, like 5 or 10 milligrams or more. You typically tend to wake up groggy and foggy. And sometimes at a higher dose, you can feel bleh most of the day. Now, it's happened with some of my friends, so I've had to lower the dose. Now, a lower dose of 1 milligram or maybe 2 milligrams is better because it doesn't seem to have that same rebound effect. Just remember that your body only makes about half of 1 milligram. That's 500 micrograms. So taking 1 milligram is literally double the dose. And so, like, for example, this is the 1 milligram dose. I always suggest that if you want, that you take an extended sustained release form of melatonin, such as, microactive melatonin. Basically, you want extended release. Like this is one by Life Extension, which is 750 milligrams. 750 micrograms, not so it's less than still 1 milligram, and that's extended release. However, a better stack, and I'll show you what to do, is take that extended release melatonin, but take it with herbs. For example, passion flower, valerian, and lemon balm extract. These help reduce anxiety and the racing thoughts and relax your brain, which a lot of us need after a long day of running around and being on the phone. GABA, that's also very important. Also improves deep sleep. And also chamomile extract. You heard of chamomile tea? Chamomile extract contains apigenin, which relaxes the body and brain. These herbs and amino acids are great. All of these ingredients, including low dose extended release of melatonin, is found in product I take, which is Deep Sleep Formula. I've been taking it for years. I love it. I actually take some magnesium glycinate I take every night, around 600 milligrams. Instead of 400, I take more. And then I take 2 or 3 of these, Deep Sleep Formula. And honestly, this is the best sleep sack I found. It's non-addictive. You don't wake up groggy. You don't wake up tired. I stay asleep most of the night, especially if I don't drink too much water before we go to bed. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you. Questions, let me know. Share, like, subscribe, do what you like. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.